If there is one thing that you would never forget about Iceland, it would be the plethora of majestic waterfalls that this country has. Gigantic, beautiful, and mesmerizing. Let's take you to a virtual tour of our favorite five.
Gullfoss is one of the most scenic waterfalls in Iceland. This two-step waterfall is known for the power with which its waters run down the slope. Most of the Golden Circle tour covers this in its package.
That's hell of a pronunciation. Let's just call this SJ. Remember the jaw-dropping photos of a waterfall from behind? That's SJ. During summers, one can actually walk behind SJ for a breathtaking view. The path to go behind is closed during winters because the ice is very slippery.
Known as the Children's Waterfall due to a folklore associated to it, Barnafoss is the bluest waterfalls we have seen in the entire Iceland. A must visit to your Iceland itinerary, especially when you are covering West Iceland Peninsula.
Considered to be one of the most photographed locations in Iceland, this mountain stands tall, about 460 meters high, with a small waterfall right in front. Easily one of the most beautiful spots to be photographed. See this big white beauty falling down the sky? That's pretty much the face of Iceland. 60 meters high and 25 meters wide, Skogafoss is one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Iceland. One can just walk right up to the bottom, but be ready to get drenched.
Out of the many majestic waterfalls in Iceland, these are our favorite picks. Let us know which one did you like the most.